So hi there, welcome again. And now we're talking about the solution to the problem we had shared or challenge we had shared uh, about a week ago. So right here, we had 4,000 data collection points and we had 100 women, 400,000 women in 4,000 Excel files. And we were asked to look at each one of them and use a do file to separate each one by age in a separate sheet within one Excel file. We had showed you what the results will look like. So if you have not watched that video, please just go back there and watch what the results should look like, because we will not take our time and go back into that. So we'll just go on straight into the solution to this problem, and hopefully you will learn how to design this in less than 20 lines. So there are two solutions. I would only take one today, and then we'll take another one in a couple of days again. So we just don't oversaturate ourselves. It gives us enough time to practice. So the link to the other one will be in this video. And then please follow up. Please let us know. Subscribe so that when the other video too is available and ready, you will get a notification. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to share to as many people who will benefit from this. So let's get straight to the point. Less than 20 lines of code, a do file that separates respondents by age. So we're going to the do file interface now. Okay, so we are supposed to do this with less than 20 lines of code, and this is the solution, but I'm going to take you line by line. The first thing I did is to create a temp file called all data. And why that is important is because there should be a file where you append all your information. So it's a temporary file, and temporary files are files that are just used for this session. And once they are done, they're dumped, So they're temporary, just the way they are called, temp files. So that's the first thing I did, create a temp file. The second thing I did, now it's not best practice, but because I just try to optimize our lines and code, you can use the clear command. Usually it's very important to clear up whatever is on the screen, but because I know it's an option here, I decided just to leave the clear command. So that's one I need to talk about. So the other line is the loop line. This is line 3 and line 11, just the loop. And what happened is that if you had gone through the entire Excel files in the folder, you would see that the first Excel file, so go check the link now, download it. The first Excel file starts with a suffix. Suffix is the words that end a name, of 1,000 to 5,000. Now, if you count those numbers to give you the 4,000 files you're looking for. So they said X equals to that. And why you find that is here, WRA underscore X. So the first one will be WRA underscore 1001, WRA underscore 2002, and you keep on looping. We're going to talk about loops very shortly. You keep looping until you get to 5,000. So this 3 to 11 goes 4,000 times. So it picks each of the file, and when it does that, for the very first file, which is 1001, it will not append because there's nothing to append. It will save the 1001 file, and then it will start adding all the other files until it gets to 5,000, and you have a very big data set of the 400,000. So what you just do is just open the file and joining them together. If you have used the append command during training, this is the best time to understand. Now, if you are a beginner and you are doing the beginner course, or you complete the beginner course, you are not aware of what we call loops, that's fine. But I always encourage everybody to still just study what's going on here. So basically, that's what happens in line 5. It imports and it goes through the loop. Anything between 3 and 11 takes place 4,000 times, which you just don't know because it's very, very fast. So the other part too is, now when you are done with all the 400,000 files, the next thing you want to do is to now look at the age variable, levels of age. You want to group them. And this creates a macro for all the different ages. And now you're able to export it to one file called age sort, and each sheet would have for each age. And that's how we solved the problem. If you have questions, you can put in the comments. I just want to be sure that you can understand and engage with this. So thank you so much for your time. I would share in the next couple of days. Just look at the link reference to these files. In the next couple of days, there will be in the comment section, a pinned comment for the second solution, second way of solving this. So thank you so much for your time. I'll see you in the next video.